Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Kitchen 429. Today I'm going to make chili chicken recipe. It's so yummy, so tasty, so wonderful recipe. So please let's start. But it's a simple and easy recipe. So please welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Like, share. Of course like it, share it, subscribe it, of course comment. Okay? Then I first start batch of chicken. I fry it very well with haldi powder, turmeric powder and salt. And after that I use bay leaves and ilachi dalchini and chop onion and ginger garlic paste and fry it very well. Fry it for 5 minutes for mixed whole ingredients. And use big size onion, 2 onion for it, chopped it, and of course use salt and fry it very well. Look what it beautiful and cover it for 5 minutes. And I cover it for some time. After 5 minutes I open it and see that look what is beautiful. It's so tasty. And this time you use for roti. If you think that of course you use it for roti this time. Let's fry it very well. But I need water, so I use second step. In this step I use masala, okay, because its name is spicy chili masala. So in this time I use chili very much chili. Normally we use this. It's a double. You used double spoon chili because it's spicy, and turmeric powder I use chili powder, and now I use 1 tablespoon 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. I use turmeric powder already when I fry it, so no need so much turmeric powder in this time. And in this I use jeera powder. I don't use dhania powder because it's this ingredients no need to dhania powder. So I cumin powder, and now I use, and now mixed it very well. And in this time I use chicken masala, and every masala, every spices are mixed very well in this time. Fry it for some time because it's raw smell. For raw smell. And now in this time I use fry it very well on ingredients, and look what a beautiful color is in this time. And half cooked, it is already cooked. Now I need water. And this time I use hot water. I fry it and I need hot water because every non-veg when I use hot water, because hot water is very important because its taste gives you double another level. So use it hot water, and after hot water cook sometimes, okay, because it mixed everything and cover the lid and cook it for some time. And now I cover it. In this moment, you see what a beautiful. I cover it for some time and boil it. And after some time, when my water is thick, you see, and at this moment, it is already cooked, already finished, and now final look what a beautiful it is. Thank you for watching my video.